Welcome back to Business English with Martin. I am really excited that you are here today because we are going to talk about a topic that is absolutely essential for every entrepreneur, freelancer, or small business owner, and that is customer service. So, now, why is this topic so important? Okay, let's think about it. You can have the best product in the market. You can offer the lowest price. You can even have the most beautiful store or website. But if your customer service is poor, you will eventually lose clients. But if your service is excellent, some something magical happens. Some are like your clients come back. Okay, they forgive small mistakes. They pay a little more, or just to feel the security and the confidence of dealing with you. So I want you to imagine this. Okay, there are two businesses that sell the same product at at the same price. Which one will succeed? The one that treats customer with respect, speed, and care. Okay, so in today's episode, we are going to explore why customer service can literally make or break your business. By the end of these lessons, you will understand how service creates loyalty that lasts for years, and how bad service destroys your reputation faster than you think, and how you can apply this in your daily business, even if you are a small operation with limited sources. So now I want to start with a story. One of my very first clients in the home decor industry ordered custom curtains. Okay, so everything was going smoothly. The design was approved, the measurements were correct, and the delivery date was set. But on the delivery day, something unexpected happened. The fabric had a small defect. Nothing huge, but was noticeable. And when we installed the curtains, the client saw it immediately and was upset. Now, in that moment, I have two possible reactions, right? But because I could say that it's not my fault, it's the supplier's mistake, not mine, or I could take the responsibility even if technically it wasn't 100% my fault. And I choose the second option. We apologize. We promise to replace the fabric as quickly as possible and to show our goodwill. We offer a small discount for the inconvenience. And yeah, and guess what happened? The client didn't abandon us. On the contrary, they became one of our most loyal customers. They recommended us to three of their friends, and they trusted us even more than before because they saw that we care about their satisfaction than about defending ourselves. Okay, and now to understand this better, uh, I will give you the opposite example that a few years later, I went to buy some materials from another supplier, and from the beginning, their customer service was terrible. They didn't answer my calls. They delayed my order twice, And when I try to complain, they simply ignore me. Um, what do you believe was the result? I never bought from them again. And of course, I told other people about my bad experience. And that company lost not only one client, but many potential clients. And this is the reality of business. People talk is the reality. And they share both the positive and the negative. And that's why we say customer service can make or break your business. It can build your reputation or it can completely destroy it. Okay, and now we are going to go deeper, okay, into why customer service can determine the future of your business. Okay. Okay. In base what I said, okay, about my experience. So now service is a strategy. Okay, what I learned. Many people think service is just answering the phone politely or smiling at the customer, but in reality, service is a long-term strategy that defines your competitive position in the market. Let's think about Apple, for example. Okay, Apple don't they don't just sell phones; they sell an experience, the packaging, the store, the support. That is service as a strategy, and in small businesses, this is even more important because service is the one area where you can truly compete. Okay, so I have here 2 points. Okay, the first one, what I see is that we have the perceived value and we have the real value. Okay, clients rarely calculate your costs or margins. What they evaluate is the experience in most of the cases. Like, was it easy to communicate with you? Other question could be, did you respond quickly? Did you show flexibility when something unexpected happened? That perception of value becomes more important than the price itself. So here the truth um, is that people will often pay more for peace of mind if they feel respected, informed, and taken care of. Then they don't care if you are a little more expensive than the competition. And yes, obviously, in business, mistakes are inevitable. Delivers get delayed, materials arrive defective, or human errors happen. But if you have built trust through consistent good service, clients will forgive occasional mistakes. In fact, okay, a mistake well managed can strengthen the relationship. It shows your professionalism. It proves that you don't run away from problems and you solve them. Okay, and yeah, you as a client, how many times have you stop buying from a company? Not because of the problem itself, but because of the way they handle it. So I think that's the essence of service. The service is a business pillar. Okay, and now in this point, what lessons can we extract for small businesses? Okay, like me in this case, is like service is cheaper than marketing. Okay, paying for ads make bring people once, but good service brings them back repeatedly at zero cost. Think about it. Okay, a single satisfied client who talks about you online can be worth more than a whole campaign. And for this reason, the service define your brand. Like you can design a nice logo, you can use some other colors or pay for beautiful packaging, but at the end of the day, your real brand is the memory your clients keep of how you treated them. So the brand lives in their story about you, not in your slogan. In that happen in most of the cases. That's why service multiplies your reach. Mm, every client that you serve well is not one client. It's not only one client, okay? It's a potential, I could say, thing because people share experiences, especially in the age of social media. Sometimes one Facebook post or one TikTok video about a positive experience can create more impact than thousands of Bolivia or Bolivianos in ads. And the service protects you from competition that happen very frequently. Competitors can copy your product, or they can copy your price, or even your marketing campaign, but what they cannot copy is the unique relationship you build with your customer. That personal trust is not transferable. Okay. Okay. To finish this, if you run a small business, investing in service is not optional. It's survival. It's your shield against competitors, and practically is your engine for growth. Okay. To close today's episode, let's remember this: customer service is not a department. It's a philosophy. It's the way you answer a message, the way you solve a problem, the way you leave the client's house after installing a product. Customer service is invisible in most of the time, but its results are very visible, honestly. It can build a loyalty, reputation, a long term stability, or it can destroy your business in a matter of days. And you have to ask yourself, okay, what memory are you leaving with every client you serve? Because that memory will decide if your business grow or disappear. It's not only the price list or marketing slogan. Okay. Okay. I hope this inspires you to rethink, um, not see the service as a cost, but as your most important investment. And the next episode, we'll move to another critical area for small businesses. And this is how social media can grow your business. And trust me, this one will be full of practical strategies you can apply immediately and don't miss it.